how to reduce white points in iPhone. So just simply go to your settings, and as you can see, there's some gray sections right here. So it's not completely black. So if you want to make it completely black so that it will be more darker, just go to your accessibility, then display and text size, and just go right here on below of the color filters. You will see the reduce white point. Just tap on that, and you can now just go with anything. So I suggest you go to like 60 or like 70 to 80, which is good. So let's try 75. As you can see, it is more darker around right here, and the white points are reduced. So this will also, of course, save more battery life since the display is more dim rather than having more white points. That's basically how you reduce white points in iPhone.